So for today's video guys, this is a full episodes for about of clock. Wall clock, teach how tutorial about of clock. So this is
Kahiwit sa anak.
okay.
Ayaw palayo mama, gamay ra mang paglis na untop.
It's 3 lagi, right? Yeah, 3 lagi. 3, 9, 7, 8,
Isa.
4, 5, 10,
Sakto ka.
1, 2. Okay.
Sakto lagi ka ma.
Okay. Now, ano siya ang
Untop.
untok. 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 So, now, sit down here, Inday. You listen to me. Okay. How many number we have in the time? Pila ka number sa time?
Ha?
How many number you see it? You see, o pila ka number imo nakita sa oras? Pila ka oras ang naa sa orasan? How many numbers in all here in clock? Pila ka number imo nakita di? As pila? Pila diri ka number ang oras? Pila ka oras? Oh, pila man
Oras?
oras ang number? Pila man? We have pila? Pila man ka number di tanan imo nakita? Asa man kutob? Pila? Pila?
Hmm. Answer na ma.
This is the answer here. So, pila ka buok mo nakita? Pila man ka buok number na sa clock, akong pangutana.
Clock.
O pila man ka number na adiha, akong pangutana. 12. So, we have, and in the said, we have 12 all numbers in the clock. So,
Sakto na.
how many minutes we have in the clock? Pila ka minutes ang naa sa clock? Pila man ka minutes ang naa sa clock?
Pila ka.
Minutes, itong nga guhit ba? Pila man ka minutes to tanan. If you do you remember?
Ang katong maguhit.
Oh, pila man to kabuk tanan. Unsa man tubag ako? Asa mo i-reset?
Oh. Nasayog ka?
Diyan pa na-edit ko. Diyan pa na-edit ko. Para easy makita. Dot lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so this one. Naatay ang akong pangutana mao ni. Pila ka minutes ang naa diha?
Sa mga guhit,
Anaon nimo, ipangutana og pila ka minutes, how many minutes we have all here. So ang pangutana, the answer is listen, okay? Like this. 5. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So, 55 ba diha, no? Oh, 55. 56, 57, 58, 59. So, natay 59 minutes only. We have 59 minutes only. So, naana diya, 55 na, no? So, 56, 57,
59,
58,
59.
59. So, don't forget, naatay sa here in 1 clock here, all here, we have 12 hours and we have 12 hours and 59 minutes all and 12 hours all we have. Okay, understand? So now is the I asked you, how many minutes all we have in the clock?
Minutes?
Oh, how many minutes all? Tanan mang minutes. Pila man ang naa sa orasan? Pila man?
59.
59, correct. So we have 59 minutes all. Minutes all. Sorry. So now, I ask you, how many hours we have here all? Pila ka oras ang naa nato sa isa ka oras?
11.
Oh, 11? Are you sure?
Ay, 12.
12. So we have 12 hour. So now,
Ang 11 mura mag 12.
okay. This is the time. This is the seconds. This is the minutes. This is the minutes. Oh. Okay. Now, I ask you, what time is it now? Now is PM. Okay? PM na ta karon. PM. PM. Here in the Philippines is PM.
PM na ta
Yes, PM kay hapon na. PM na. Pag maabot sa 12 is, ang pasabot ana is PM na. Oh, sige. What time is it now? Let's go. Okay. Okay. What time? What time?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. And 4 o'clock and
5, 10, 15, 20,
louder.
25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38.
Oh, so what time? What is the correct answer? Answer and the correct time. What is
4
the time?
o'clock and
Pila? Pila man? Pila?
38 minutes.
Okay, in this, her answer is 4 o'clock and 38 minutes is correct. 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 8 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 and 38. Okay, now. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, what time is it now?
Huh?
What time?
What? Asang
Ang tawag niya?
minutes na?
Ayaw na ko pangutan. Kinahanglan maka-mindset ka. Mag-mindset na ka. Automatic na siya. Ang pinakamubo mo na gid na siya time. Ang medium is minutes. This is the pinaka-long is seconds. Oh, okay, go. What time is it now? Sa oras. Okay, sa oras. faster. Huh. Okay. Faster kay una pa tayo daghang answeranan.
56 o'clock.
Pagtarong na alay 56 o'clock.
11
Oh.
11 o'clock.
An. Pila? Pila man dire?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. 11 o'clock and 5 minutes is correct answer. Ano to? O 11 no?
11 ito.
11 o'clock and 5 minutes. Okay. Correct. Okay, now.
5 minutes. Hoy, mama, umananin mo. Hindi ko sakto, mama. Mama.
Siya oras. Okay, what time is it now? What is the correct answer and the correct time? Go.
12 o'clock.
Okay? And? Asa may taas nilang duha?
Ha?
Nagtawag ayo. Kani ang minutes.
Kani?
Ben, uli ka malibog kung pamubaan.
Saan sa
Sige.
lapos mo na ako?
Sige. Pila? Ha? Karoon ka? Oh, oh. Nandali.
12 o'clock.
And?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Okay.
12 o'clock and 32 minutes.
Okay, the correct answer. Pila to? 12 o'clock and 32 minutes. 12 o'clock and 32 minutes. Okay, very good. So now,
Ma, tanaw ma.
actually,
Ayaw, dito, di ko makita. Oh, naman ko dire. Oh, di ko makita nila, ma.
kita lagi. So now, what time is it now? 10 oras.
12 minutes.
12 minutes for it. Ay, kung takong yaw-yaw good. Tarong nga ko.
1 o'clock.
Oh, and? Ang sama daw akong gingon sa imo ha?
Unto.
Unto. Very good. Oh, exactly 1 o'clock. Very good. The answer is good. Very good. Correct. Exactly 1 o'clock. 1.
Joke naman to.
So, now. What time is it? Asa siya nabilong. Asa siya nabilong. Tarungag answer. Kaya di ta magbalik-balik. Make it
Okay.
perfect. Lantawa og natik ang akong gitudlo sa imo ha. Once na ang minutes asa mo tudlo. Unsa may akong unsa may imong mga nahinumduman, imong na remember sa akong gitudlo. Once na ang minutes mo tungtong sa asa. So unsay may pasabot. Okay. Thinking. Remember what I teach you before. Make it perfect now. Because it's 3 time or 4 time na
Two.
natin balik. Ha? Oh, to. Nga.
2 o'clock.
Nabilong siya sa 2. Kay, why she's belonging on the 2? Why? Bakit? Nga naman, nabilong pa man siya sa 2. Kay?
Ang
Ang minutes.
Ang minutes wala na
Minutes ha, kani ang longhan wala sa
wala
not
sa
yet pointing on the 12.
12.
So if the longhan pointing here on the 12 exactly 3 o'clock but not yet pointing there, is still here. So what time is it now? What is the correct answer and the correct time?
2 o'clock and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Mm. Okay. 55.
55,
Mm.
56,
Mm. 56 minutes. 56? Pinawan.
56.
Oh. Unsay
2
correct?
o'clock
Ah.
and 56 minutes. Mata na ako manghod.
Hello.
Hudong.
Ko ato. Dali. Come, mama. Ali. Ali, mami. Hinaya. So, Inday now, this is, if I not mistake, this is 3 times. I repeat about of clock, but this time, she's perfect. Hello! Good morning! Oh, afternoon na lang! Good afternoon! Behila sa ilaha, behila! Hi! This is my kitty sister Inday. She wake up already. Pa. So now, what time is it? What time? What is the correct time and the correct answer? What is the exactly time now? Go, let's go. So I challenge in there about the clock, about the time for she can perfect. So this is maybe this three time I repeat this one about the clock because she didn't know yet all. So now she's perfect now. So go Inday. Hello. Hello fans ate. Hello sa mga fans ni ate Bibi. Hi Bibi. Hi sa Ilhabig. Hi. Hi sa fans ni ate.
8 o'clock.
Yes. Huh? Oh, huh? Are you sure? YOLO.